Hi guys, previous video was created on this particular hardware from Geekom, and this is the video on Windows 11. So watch the other video as well, because on the website kiroproject.pe you can get some information about the partner offer here, Shop Geekom. That's what I've done in July. I bought myself a machine which is called IT15. Had to choose lots of things here, also PCs and laptops and all that, lots of things, but I wanted something small, right, rather than this huge box that's sitting at the knee level, right? And this baby became the one that I've bought, but this video is then on the Windows 11, which is the default. Of course, they don't supply Linux here, but as you see, you can get some discounts, so keep track of the discounts that they provide and then choose. I've chosen the 2 terabyte, which is plenty of space for me and for Windows and for Linux, right? So if you watch the other video, then you'll realize it's the same thing, because look at the division here, the C here. This is the boot up system for Windows. This is Windows itself, 1.7. That's more than enough gigabyte, right? And then I made this partition smaller and then said, okay, 2.87 is for the Linux boot up system. So I did not mess with the Windows startup. They're 2 separate things, hoping that during the next years, right, when updates come in, they don't interfere. And this is the root. So 100 gigabyte for Linux, that's more than enough. I think it's right around 23 gigabytes or something like that was used. So this is not accurate, but this is Windows, right? He doesn't know anything about Linux, does he? And then the partition for Windows. So these 2 guys are Linux, and all the rest is what used to be. So that's it for me, nothing more to tell, though the previous video is showing Linux on the hardware, and this one is showing Windows on the hardware. All right, cheers.